8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, an area of strong thunderstorms was located near Whidbey Island, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine locations: east entrance to south. Waters Strait of Juan de Fuca and northern inland waters including the San Juan Islands.